everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting my hair done. Okay, this is my hair. Hopefully my hair comes out looking good today, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. Okay, this is how my hair looks so far. It's not combed out or anything. I have gel in my hair still. This is bad. I feel sorry for my hairdresser. She has to deal with me and my hair.
Wait, how do?
I don't know if this brand is good because it's so cheap. When I was in Christiana, I bought it. It was so cheap, I didn't believe it. Have you seen this brand before?
No.
That's what I'm saying. So I just picked it up. Okay, these are the hair dyes. This one, I never seen this brand before. It's like $230. So I was like, what? This is too cheap to be good. Rich Auburn. I hope it doesn't have a red undertone. And then I got, what is this? The bleach powder? That's what they call it? Yeah, basic white. And they sell them like this. Unless you want to buy the big jug for 3 grand. For 3 grand. Oh my god, I have more. There's this. I got 40. Okay, so I got 7 of these, but we might have to get more. He sings so good. Okay, she's mixing everything. Let's hope and pray it comes out good. Okay, someone's singing outside and sings sounds so good. My hair is breaking off because I haven't been taking care of it. One day you're gonna see me come here with just short hair. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up cutting my hair again soon.
Wait, afro.
Yeah. So sorry, you always have to deal with my hair. and it's worse too.
Yeah, because I know they can't manage it, that's why.
Yeah, that's true.
Hi guys.
Okay, so we're detangling my hair. Start from the bottom and work your way up. I need to do my eyebrows. Getting ready now. So how come you put the elastics on it? To just separate everything?
Yeah.
Oh. So there's elastic. My hair feels so tough today. It's because there's gel in it.
It's supposed to be bad. It's supposed to be bad people. It's supposed to.
Listen, I need to start taking care of my hair again. Because I haven't been oiling it. If any of you guys want to watch my natural hair care routines, I have them on my channel. And how I detangle, moisturize, wash, part, style, everything. So I always come here to wash my hair, to braid my hair, to style my hair whenever I'm lazy and I don't want to do my hair, which is like 99% of the time.
You're right.
So she has to deal with all of this. It's just easier and it's affordable. Oh, let me know down below in the comment section if any of you guys want me to put the man that was singing in the background in my videos, because he sings so good. He was just mopping and singing outside. So okay, we're putting on the bleach now. We're the only ones here so far. I always forget how strong the bleach is. All the time, it'll make you cough. Someone's gonna comment and say, this is why we wear masks when we're bleaching. She has her mask and her gloves on. Guys, it hasn't even been like 10 minutes. And look at this. It's already changing. I'm so nervous. I look so tired. Let me know if any of you guys know about this brand here, because I went on YouTube to search up the color, but there was not even one tutorial about this brand. So this is Sunkissed Brown, and then I got Rich Auburn in the other one. So we're just gonna mix it, and hopefully a nice color comes out. Mixing. I'm gonna be a brand new girl after this. Whenever I feel like, what's the word? Whenever I need a change, I always do stuff like this. I think it's just us women. Our emphasis is on our beauty, right? So yeah, we always want to change up how we look and stuff. We're going up to the top.
No, why anything?
You thought I was doing an ombre? Man, I like it straight from the root all the way down. Does this angle look better on me? You know, I want a short wig like this that you're wearing.
Yeah?
Yeah, I want a short one like that. It's cute. See, even this color, the lighter color already complements my skin tone already. I don't think I'll ever go back to black. If I go dark, it's dark brown.
Huh? You see rest of them, my son?
So the 7 small little powders of bleach didn't work, so we have to get 3 more. So she was right from the initial, we needed 10. I just didn't think so, but we actually needed 10 for my hair. The thing is with the bleach, they don't give it in like a small bottle or medium bottle. It's either you buy the small little bags, or you have to buy the big huge jug for 3 grand, which doesn't make any sense. They're just teething. I mean, there's teeth down here. Oh, I already love it already. The black hair just made me look so boring and dull and everything's going on. So I'm gonna be wearing my natural hair more often now. Okay, put the cap on. Okay, so how long do we have to wait?
Until you reach. Until you reach where you want to.
Okay, now we're waiting. Finish shower cap. Waiting for like the black to come out and it's just all. Can you guys see it? Like when I'm washing my hair, we're going to put in the purple shampoo just to neutralize the yellow, so the brassiness in the hair. And I bought this at a beauty supply store down here. Everything I bought at a beauty supply store down here.
Why you come and sit down? Come on, come.
Some of you may wonder why my hair has like 2 different tones in it even after bleaching it. Is because I bleached my hair previously in the past and it looks like the color just doesn't want to come out my hair. So that's why I have 2 tones in my hair. Okay, now we're gonna put on the purple shampoo. This is just to use to neutralize hair because since it's so yellowish orange, it's supposed to make it a little bit more neutral. So when you put color on it, it's not something different. If I could get my whole hair this color, I would like it.
Which color?
The brown right here.
The brown?
Yeah, it's so nice.
I'm not going to put in the side, I'm going right?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, update. I might have to go back to the store and buy different hair dyes because this is not doing nothing. Maybe that's why it was $200. Yeah, look.
What's that?
It's the same color as what it was before. I think I'm gonna have to go and buy them. You can't see nothing. See, look, you guys can't see nothing. Okay. Okay, I'm buying this. I'm getting this rich auburn. Okay, this is it. Dark and Lovely Soft Sheen Fade Resist. Okay, we're putting in the different hair dyes. I just hope that Dark and Lovely is more pigmented than the brand that So hard just to find a brown around here. Just a nice brown that is not dark.
If you don't want the color, if you want something brighter,
yeah. There's a difference. There's a difference so far. I actually like this. It's subtle. The other hair dye scammed us. You put in the color, nothing came out. Okay, this is my hair so far. Kind of looks reddish. Okay, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna put. Okay, I'm washing out the hair color. It looks red in the video. It's not though. my two-toned hair. It looks nice though. Oh, I got my eyebrows done. I'm gonna plait it out. Okay, so you put in moisturizer, right? My hair looks orange again. But the color's gonna change when I wash my hair and stuff. Detangle and oil myself.
Good afternoon, you ladies. So no one apart and less problem. A dollar day better than none. Not and not. 1 and 1 make 2. Original. Yeah. See my picture, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Smile, my daughter.
Okay.
That smile every day.
Okay, thank you.
So you want to apart and less problem?
I'll just show them. Okay. I'm a different girl. Okay, so this is the final look. Guys, I wanted brown, but it's so hard finding brown here for some reason. So now my hair is like an orangey. It's like an orangey color. I didn't want this, but let me know what you guys think down below. Huh?
Love it.
You like it? Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I was thinking? I'm thinking if it's the shimmer lights that didn't work in my hair. That's why it came out orange again. I picked up browns and they don't work. Yeah, but comment down below what you guys think. Let me know. Only $30. I paid her $3 grand. Oh, if you guys want any like natural hair videos, I'm gonna link them on the screen so you guys can watch them. But yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Au revoir.